Amongst the chaos of the COVID 19 pandemic, a lot of people are delaying their visit to the hospital, and this is causing a lot of complications and emergencies. In this video, we have a lot of doctors from various specialties who come together to share their views and opinions and who would like to advise you on what to do during this COVID 19 pandemic. There are a lot of cancer patients and patients undergoing chemotherapy. So there is a lot of dilemma and confusion whether to postpone this chemotherapy or whether to continue the treatment. So we have with us Dr. Deepan Rajamanikam, who is a consultant oncologist from Thangam Cancer Center in Namakkal. He would like to discuss about the cancer treatment during this COVID-19 pandemic and what can be done.
Once the diagnosis of cancer is made, he or she is considered immunocompromised. That means your immunity is low. Contracting the virus does not depend on the immunity, but severity of the illness due to the virus does depend on your immunity. Ask your treating doctor whether the intent of treatment is curative or palliative. Curative means stage 3 or less. Palliative means anything that has spread to other sides of the body other than the primary, that is stage 4. If curative, my advice would be go all in the cancer treatment because you have a chance of cure. But if palliative and you don't have any emergencies currently, you can wait for the cancer directed therapy. Consult your physician later for further treatment. Thank you.
We now have Dr. Aishwarya M. Raji with us, who is a gynecologist from SBS Hospital, Hosur, and she would like to discuss about pregnancy during COVID times and if it is safe for a pregnant woman to visit the hospital at this time.
What I would like to say is that if you are an antenatal mother, firstly, do not panic. We are here for you. You will be categorized as low risk or high risk by your obstetrician and your appointments will be scheduled accordingly. Also, only the most important scans will be done, and this is to avoid your unnecessary visits to the hospital. In case of any emergency, please visit the hospital. Do not panic sitting at home thinking of the pandemic.
Next, we have Dr. Swati Maram, who is a gynecologist in Samrath Hospital, and she would like to answer the question, if a mother is pregnant during her pregnancy, will the child get affected? And would it affect the development of the child?
This possibility of baby getting the virus if the mother is positive during her pregnancy. The good part here is, from the reported cases, almost all the babies were actually doing good. If the mother is infected during pregnancy, it's unlikely to affect your baby development.
Medical termination of pregnancy in the era of COVID-19 could be a very tricky situation for both the patients and the doctors. One thing I would like to convey to all the viewers over there is, please do not resort to over-the-counter medications called as abortion pills through the medical store directly. Please visit your doctors who are freely available and do a baseline blood test, a baseline ultrasound, so that we can decide on what kind of medications which we can give you so that you have a safe abortion. Also, you should understand that there is something called as emergency contraception, which can be used if there would have been any failure of contraception even before you conceive.
Now we have Dr. Sharanya with us, who is a consultant gynecologist in Mint Hospitals. Now, what is your answer on the mental health of people undergoing fertility treatment at this time, if the treatment is cancelled or postponed?
I want to stress that definitely this is a difficult time for you to have your treatment postponed or cancelled, but at the same time it's mandatory and a must to make sure you don't get pregnant during this COVID period and extract unnecessary infection. So that is very important. Secondly, make sure that you don't get stressed, because stress affects your hormones and that affects your fertility potential. Thirdly, try to indulge yourself in activities like working out together with your partner, yoga with your partner, cooking together, watching movies together. Spend some time with your partner which you did not get all this while before you resume back to your fertility treatment, and I'm sure that will make a difference in your hormones.
Thank you, Dr. Sharanya. Now we have Dr. Aparajita with us, who is a consultant pediatrician in Chettinad Super Speciality Hospital. Now, Dr. Aparajita, now how is the vaccination going to go ahead from now on? Can a child get vaccinated during this COVID time? Is it safe for a child to visit the hospital?
The child is less than 15 months old. The child has not yet received all the vaccines. So definitely please go ahead with the vaccination. Please talk to your pediatrician before you go to the clinic. I say where there are setups for the well baby clinic separately and a fever clinic or a sick baby clinic separately, it should not be risky at all to go ahead with the shots. Coming to those children who are more than 15 months old, they would have already received the basic vaccination and they are due only for the boosters. It's okay to postpone the boosters for say 2 to 3 months. So please discuss with your pediatrician. All the best.